Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Prasad from RMD Engineering College. Uh, in this video, we are going to discuss about IoT, machine-to-machine system layers. So first of all, M2M systems layers. So how we are going to know understand M2M communication? So it stands for machine-to-machine communication. So machine networks connect the devices without requiring the internet. So without any internet connection, the machine can connect to another machine, can share the data. So which will be enable the communication between different machines by means of any wired communication or wireless communication or hybrid communication channels. So that is regarding machine to machine communication. So like we spoke, machine to two devices can be able to connect through a gateway or in application domain. By in this diagram it has been clearly shown here. So machine to machine communication involves maybe measures data or network infrastructure for enabling data transmission over communication channels. So it is a point to point contact across any communication. So how this has paved a way for modern device communication means in early 1990s, early 2000, coinciding with advancements in internet and wireless technologies, M2M gave solutions to enable the device and communicate directly. So how machine talks? How the what was the evolution? So who was the first one used M2M communication was Siemens. Siemens launched a GSM data module. First, initially, machine-to-machine communication has a lot of modifications, enhancements for various diversified applications. Later, Siemens launched the GSM data module M1 for an industrial M2M communications. So, enabling wireless communications between machines using GSM technology. So this has changed that wireless modules. Okay, later in the 21st century, the modules has incorporated or enhanced using GPS, machine to machine identification modules, MIM, which is called MIM. So year by year, the advancements improves. So machine to machine communication, how it has been means various types of machine to machine communication is there. So first, so basically, it will have three modules. The first one is application domain, network domain, and device domain. So whatever the task can be done in application domain means M2M or machine to machine application will be connected to client. So network domain which will shares through the protocol, network protocol. So those are listed like here in the picture GSM. So like we spoke in Siemens case, or LTE, wireless LAN, WiMAX, satellite communication, or M2M device communication. How they are going to do? So this is a network for a long places within within a short distance. How they are going to communicate machine to machine by using these protocols called Zigbee, Bluetooth, wireless USB, uh, this type of protocols. So coming to the M2M systems, what are the internal parts of the M2M systems is sensors like communication networks, which is what we spoke in the previous picture, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and satellite communication technologies. And we will have also data processing units like cloud-based servers, and we will have software applications for real-time data monitoring. So coming to the types of M2M communication, so we have listed here one by one. Wired communication, wired to M2M communication. So very short distances, which is by using physical cables to the connected device, we are going to communicate using wire technology. So the second one is wireless M2M technology. Machine to machine without any wired connection, the exchange of data will be done using wireless technologies. So Wi-Fi networks by using LAN connection, local area networks. So are whichever used in factories, warehouses, office buildings, which will enable the connection using LAN connections. And cellular networks, which offers a wide spread of coverage. So cellular machine to another cellular machine, so which covers or offers wide spread of coverage. Satellite networks is a crucial application. So where it will coverage a large distance. What are the features means we can remote monitor the applications, remote monitor the machine communication, and flexible data transmission will be there. And scalability, it can be grow, it can be supporting the day to day increasing demand. It can offer or handle more number of devices where the demand is enormously increasing day by day. And we can also automate the communication of M2M device. In particular, how the machine to machine connectivity is using in internet of things. Machine to machine communication focus on only device to device, while the IoT focuses on broader network of interconnected devices over the internet, many devices over the internet. But whereas machine to machine, it is a direct device to device communication which don't need any internet. So for doing this IoT, so we have many protocols like MQTT, M2M connectivity become a part of IoT ecosystems. So if we see the differences between, like I said in the previous point, M2M and IoT share common goal of enabling communication, and with the automated manner on its own. M2M technology focus on only point to point, but whereas IoT focuses on interconnected network of devices over the internet. So this is the only difference, like small portion M2M. So IoT concentrated on big area, like. So, like I have highlighted in the previous slide, M2M architecture will have main three domains: device domain, network domain, application domain. So, this in this picture we have shown clearly application domains will have M2M applications and service capability, whereas network domain will have core network and access network, and the device and gateway domain will have devices which will be connected through gateway. So here, like we have 7 layer OSI structure, how the layers has been arranged in M2M. So we are going to check that one. Uh, in IoT M2M systems, how the designs is standardized. So, as per a concern of Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF), this layers has been segregated like this. Normal OSI layers is there. OSI layers will be 7, but here, according to our structure of IETF, they have reorganized the layers like this. Actually, the three domains only will be there. According to the three domains, the services can be rearranged like this. So these two, data adaptation and physical come data link layer, will be coming and enrich and stream. While in the stream section, transport and network layer will be there. In the application network, we will manage, acquire, organize, and analyze the data. So these things will vary from model to model. So what we are seeing is IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force model. The next model we are seeing ITUT reference model. So in this model, so the layers has been rearranged. See, the bottom layer is a device layer where data adaptation, physical come data link layer together combined. So the second one also similar to the previous one, transport and network layer connected together. I mean combined together for connectivity. Then the upper layer, application layer, will have data abstraction, accumulation, enrichment, and transformation. So in the four levels, I mean L2, L3, L4. In these levels, we have rearranged this one in a ITU T reference model.